See, for shaping operation, for planning operation, we may use formula or we may not. I am just describe here how we can simply calculate shaping time without using any formula, and in the question it is given how we can calculate using formula. So, we do not need any formula. What is the distance of travel of the shaper head? The distance travel 75 millimeter here, 900 meter here and 75 millimeter here. So, total length will be 900 plus 75 plus 75, that is 1050 millimeter, that is total travel. So, if it cut with 6 meter per minute velocity from here to here, it will take how much time? It will take, that is equal to this divided by 6 meter, that is 6000 millimeter per minute, that will take 0.175 minute. One stroke, one cutting stroke, for one cutting stroke, shaper head have to move from here to here with 6 meter per minute velocity. 6 meter per minute velocity, so time required for cutting equal to this. What is return time? If the cutting ratio is 1:4, then velocity will be 24. So, velocity will be 24. So, for return of this from this here to here, length is 1020, but 24 meter per minute. So, 24,000 meter per minute, it will take 0.04375 minute. So, what is the total time of one stroke? That is cutting time plus return time. This one is the for one stroke. But in a single stroke, you are cutting 2 millimeter. This is 2 millimeter, then 2 millimeter, then 2 millimeter, then 2 millimeter. This is 600 millimeter, 600 millimeter. Then what is the number of stroke? That is 600 by 2, that is 300 stroke. We have to perform 300 stroke, and for single stroke, we need, this is the time. So, just multiply with this, and 65.6 minutes is the total machining time. So, without using any formula, we can calculate the machining time of shaping and machining time of planning without using any formula. So, in this case, we have to think what is the time required for cutting stroke. This is the distance travel, this is the cutting speed, then just divide this. What is the return? This is the return distance and this is the velocity, then divide this. Then this is the cutting time, this is the return time. So, the total time will be cutting time plus return time for a single stroke. But how much stroke we need? How much stroke? 600 millimeter have to cut, and each and every time we are cutting 2 millimeter. So, 300 stroke is required. So, 300 stroke, so machining time will be 300 into this 65.6. So, you may use formula which is given in the question, in the solution, or we may use this method. Without using any formula, we can calculate the machining time. Also, for shaper and planer, both the cases, this method is applicable. So, answer will be 65.6 minute.